Welcome to Quilt Addicts Anonymous. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. We've recreated my very first YouTube tutorial series ever, and that's how to make a t-shirt quilt. That first time around, we shot everything in one take from my living room and dining room on a cell phone camera. Now that we've got a little bit more experience and a whole lot more equipment, we're going to redo that for you using 3 different camera angles so you know exactly what you're supposed to do, have high definition video, and will be able to be successful in making your first t-shirt quilt. We've also revamped the pattern to make it a lot easier for you to follow along with. The videos are free to watch and will show you the supplies you need, teach you how to choose fabric, cut your t-shirt squares, use the t-shirts to the interfacing to stabilize them, how to add stashing strips, assemble your quilt top, lay it out, and how to quilt it on your own sewing machine using a walking foot. The videos will be live forever, but if you follow along with us in real time, you will be done in time to gift the quilt this graduation. Make sure you like and subscribe and head on over to shop.quiltaddictsanonymous.com to get all your supplies. Let's get quilting.